Dear student, good afternoon. Today our topic Socrates. Okay na? Hello? Okay na girls? My voice is clear? Hello?
Clear, madam.
Okay Nana. Today our topic Socrates. Plato were written about Socrates. That is why we are understanding about him. He was born in 469 BC and he died in 399 BC. He belongs to Athens. His father is Anne and mother is midwife. He completed only primary education by self hard working. Is self hard working. Primary education is completed. Socrates self hard working. Only self hard working. You understand, girls? Hello? You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And independent thinking became a philosopher. He teaches freely his thought to the simple and discussed with all peoples without any prejudice. His method of inquiry is known as Heltochus, means a statement can be considered true only if it cannot be provide a wrong. Socrates focused on epistemology. Confucius is contemporary of Socrates. Socrates says, I know nothing except the first of my ignorance. He states a virtue can be taught. He believes the unexamined life is cannot worth living. Knowledge is sought to ethical action. Socrates said that the occupation of the a philosopher occupation in the a philosopher is in trying to understand the world around us, trying to determine the truth of the world and humanity. It is essential to explain the teaching which are unexplainable knowledge patterning to the facts that are obsolete and never be a false. He believes the knowledge was the unlimited ultimate virtue and it should be a best used to help a people to improve their lives. Girls, understand our class? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Nana.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Nana, okay. That is why he says the only a good is knowledge and the only evil is ignores. According to him. Students should question always. They should not believe anything until they achieved the truth. Or virtue is says education extended to fashioning the body and mind to create a moral and just peoples. His method was to question until they should clearly define their beliefs. He believed that the man is the measure of all things. He proposed two theories, theory of knowledge and theory of ideas. Proposed two types of theories. One theory knowledge, second one theory of ideas. According to theory of knowledge, the only true theory of knowledge, only true. Wisdom consists in knowledge that you know nothing, the ability to distinguish between right and wrong lies in a people's reasons, not in society. According to theory of ideas, ideal belong in a world and only the which man can understand. The philosophers is the only type of person. Girls, understand our class? Voice is clear, Nana? My voice is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Recorded to as the father of philosophy and is a famous doctrine is a virtue is the knowledge. Virtue is the knowledge. Virtue is the knowledge. Virtue is the Socrates doctrine. Socrates completed only a primary education by self-hard work and independent thinking. He became a philosopher. He was recorded to as the father of philosophy. He teach freely his thoughts to the students without any gain knowledge. The entire philosophy of Plato revolves around the Socrates spirit and doctrine. A virtue is knowledge. Socrates held there were two kinds of knowledge. One of which was only apparent and only held at the best by an insecure tenors, while the other was the duty of all men to find a true knowledge. Real knowledge is important of the virtue classes. Virtue knowledge. They could do so only if they knew themselves, that is to say, if they knew how much they really knew, Socrates says, too, that true knowledge was also a true goodness. He opinions human conduct itself into a art which would results in a goodness or practical ability and hello girls, hello my dear students,
Yes, ma'am.
my voice is clear, Nana? Okay, Nana.
Clear, ma'am.
Okay, Nana, okay. Continue our class. Okay, Socrates' doctrine, a virtue is a knowledge. Thus, a total explains of Socrates about a knowledge around the goodness, which also called as a virtue. What is why a virtue or developing goodness is a real knowledge. If a man has so much knowledge in his own field, but if he does not have a goodness, when that is the use with his knowledge, therefore every subject or idea or technique or otherwise a work should have a teach or he given importance to the a goodness only. Ultimately, Socrates said that the virtue is knowledge, and in his entire life given importance to develop it among is a follow, being by a discussion or dialogues, methods. Sophist and Plato as well as entered a Greek philosophy is concentrated to explain his concept to establish the society as an ideal one. Socrates focused discussion or dialogues method. Socrates teached discussion or dialogues and method and speeches. Socrates virtue knowledge is virtue means a knowledge. Virtue means knowledge. Girls, hello. Hello, Nana. Girls, is here our class? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Today our topics. Tell me goals. Important of our topic we are discuss now. We are discuss now our topic importance. Which person we are discuss? Which topic, Nana? Topic name. Socrates. Yes? Socrates, virtue
Yes,
is,
ma'am.
virtue means, what is the mean? Virtue means, what is the mean? Tell me, girls. Virtue means knowledge. Virtue means knowledge. Okay, any doubt, girls? Today our topic completed. Any doubts, girls? Nana, any girls? Shamika and Monica? Hello? Any doubts, Nana?
Ma'am.
Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Virtue means, what is the mean? Shamika, virtue means. Tell me. Virtue means knowledge. Tell me, Nana. Shamika, virtue means knowledge. Okay, na? Hello?
Okay, ma'am.
Virtue means, tell me, Nana.
Knowledge, ma'am.
Oh, very good, nice. So, today our topic? Socrates.
Socrates.
Oh, okay, Socrates. Socrates is born which year? Born in year 469 BC. No, important point. Note the important points, Nana. Note the important points.
1 minute, ma'am.
Socrates born in 469 BC. 469 BC. Okay, na? Girls? Okay, na?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Is died in 399 BC. Important points, note the important points. Is died 399 BC. Is born in year, Nana? Shramika? Is born in year. Tell me.
469 BC, ma'am.
Okay, very good. 469 BC. Okay, na? Is died
Yes, ma'am.
in
399 BC, ma'am.
very good, Nana, very good. Your virtue means